All right, so first alert for this stock. This is CARV. It came in here. You can see it at 937. So 937 is this candle. So all that I do is I wait. Each candle represents 1 minute. So I wait. I let the stock go up. I don't chase it. I let the stock come down. When the stock is ready, if the stock is going to move again, I wait to buy it one candle above the next. So here it came down on this candle here. The high of this candle was 1220. So I would buy it on if the next candle got to 1221. So the next candle it did, it got to 12, it got way above. So you would buy at 1221, which is above this candle, and it got all the way up to 1340, which was over $1 a share. So if, for instance, if you had 1,000 shares, you would have made over $1,000 literally in 1 minute. That's how stupid and simple this is. I ended up buying it way back here on a different strategy completely. But it's the same concept. I mean, you literally, all I do is I buy dips. So this stock went up, it dipped, and then it went back up. Another example was UONEK, which is the same thing as the UONE. It's just cheaper. It's the same stock. So here's the same thing. The stock went up. There was alert that went up on this, all this move. So all I did, it was a red candle, so it dipped, it went down. So I went in to buy above this candle. So this candle was 286, the high. So at 287 you would buy. So if you buy at 287, it went all the way up to 332. On a you can buy 5,000 shares of this. I mean, it's, what is that, 10, 15 grand? And you can sell it. I mean, you can make crazy money on these. So all I do is I wait, I get the alerts, the stock is already going up. I never chase it because you're going to end up losing money that way. I wait for it to come down, and then once it comes down, I buy at the high once it breaks that dip. And it's basically rinse and repeat. You can do this over and over again. There was another opportunity in it again. This is the same stock. So you see here, it dipped, dipped. And then once it broke here, you can buy it here at 350 and went all the way up to 427. I mean, it's literally just rinse and repeat. It's the same thing over and over again. It goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up. Eventually, this time it didn't come back up, but that's because it's later in the day. It's after 10:30 I stopped trading. I mean, 10 o'clock usually, but so this is just literally rinse and repeat over and over again.